Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install PopMaker for free on your WordPress website. This plugin is a fantastic tool for creating engaging pop-ups that can help capture leads, share announcements, or promote special offers directly on your site. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Simply open your browser, type in your website's URL, followed by /wp-admin, and enter your login credentials. This will take you straight to the back end of your WordPress site, where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged into your dashboard, look at the left side panel where you'll find a variety of menu options. Navigate to Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several choices. From here, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse, search, and install new plugins to extend your website's functionality. WordPress makes it incredibly easy to add new features without any coding knowledge. Now that you're in the Add Plugin section, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll type in Popup Maker. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you relevant results that match your search query. You'll see the Popup Maker plugin appear in the results, typically with a logo and a brief description. This plugin is one of the most popular pop-up solutions available for WordPress, trusted by thousands of users worldwide. Next, locate the Install Now button next to the Popup Maker plugin. Click on it, and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. You'll notice the button text changes to installing while the process is underway. Once the installation is complete, the button will change again to activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Activating the plugin is crucial because installation alone doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it for it to start working. After activation, Popup Maker will be ready to use, and you'll see it appear in your WordPress dashboard menu. From there, you can start creating your first pop-up, customize its appearance, set display rules, and configure triggers to determine when and where your pop-ups appear to visitors. And that's it. You've successfully installed Popup Maker for free on your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.